Hello, everyone. My name is Wade the Wallaby, and welcome to an education live stream. Today, or tonight, we'll be talking about asteroids, minor planets. Asteroids are pretty interesting, and they basically are small objects that orbit around our solar system. But let's get deep into what is a asteroid. Now, if you do know about asteroids, that's great. I have a link into the description that talks about, lists of minor planets visited by spacecraft. So you can learn about what kind of asteroids that look like in real life, which I always like. In the meantime, let's talk about it. Now, Scott Manley probably did make that type of topic, but I'm just going to go over it. Asteroids come in three parts: stony, carbon, or silicate. All three of them have basically major characteristics. They give us of what type of asteroid it is. Asteroids come in all shapes and sizes: potato shaped, diamond shapes, and they also come in sizes. Most of them are pretty small. Bennu is basically size of taller than the Empire State Building, while Eros is about potato shaped. There are multiple asteroids that are also spheres. They're actually called dwarf planets, but I prefer them as minor planets because they're much more professional sounding. Ceres, Vesta, Ceres, Juno, Pallas, Juno, Vesta, etc. are all KRS are numbered. Ceres is 1 and Vesta is 4. So those are numbers that how many are discovered. And there are at least, I believe, 1 million asteroids are around orbit. Now, there are also, you heard about the asteroid belt, which is between Jupiter and, of course, Mars. And there are some of them are safe orbits, they are no threat, but there are actually two asteroids that are a threat to us: Bennu, which I talked about, and Apophis. Apophis is also will impact us, but later it will be, well, we don't know, but Bennu is going to be a danger to us. But that will be years later, so you don't have to worry about it. Unless if you're born like right now, you'll probably experience that because by the time that's almost 100 years later. And by the time I'm probably dead, but I will make sure to stay alive as long as possible. I mean, everyone wants to do that. So, I'm going to have to cheat a little bit and basically give you some information of asteroids. Now, Ceres will not impact us. It is also the largest asteroid belt asteroid. It's 952 kilometers, but I can bring up my special needed calculator. Let's see here. Calculator, and use the angle, not angle, length. So I'm gonna translate this to from kilometers or kilometers. It doesn't matter. Kilometers, and let's do mile. So let's put the number in. So nine 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 952 is 591 miles. So that's pretty big. Vesta is about 529. It is 328 miles. Um, so Vesta is pretty big, and these are the asteroids that have been did flybys or gravity assists or orbits. It basically goes down until like let's see dimensions. The smallest one is 25143 Ikotawa, which was which was named by Hayabusa, and it was also the Hayabusa mission. Uh, no, it was never mind. Sorry, Itakawa was the guy that he is a Japanese guy. 350 meters in dimensions, and because it's oddly shaped, we can put it in, but it's zero point 0.5 about zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.2, and we'll just 350 meters, not kilometers, meters. So we're gonna have to put in. I'm sorry, but you probably don't have a calculator around to do this. Let's see if I put in uh 350 meters. Okay, so it's 0 mile because it's smaller. So let's get to a yard. So that would be 382 yards. Let's go a little bit smaller. 100 and 100,148 feet. Since it's a bit bigger, I'll just do yards. 382 yards, which is big, but it's not. It's less than a mile, and it is also less than kilometer. Um, I prefer miles because that's how I work, and I love this calculator. It's amazing. So Ragu is about 0.88. No, zero. Hold on. 0.0.8. You know what? Just type it in. I'll just so it's meters, right? Because okay, it's kilometers. Just mile. Miles O'Brien from Star Trek. I forgot his real name. I think he's. I really don't like that. I'm Captain Picard. I'm Captain Janeway. All right, enough fooling around. What is the unnamed asteroid? It's 0.8 kilometers. Of course it is. You know what? I'm tired of the translating thing. It's stupid. This stream is stupid too.